Kids, turn off the technology. Hack and cheese, almost ready. Come on, let's go get in here. Vitamin D, good for the bones. Butter, why? Because everything tastes butter with butter. Mac and cheese is really simple. That's if you're making it out of a box. You know, problem is you gotta try to convince these kids sometimes because they always want something that's a little bit better. The gourmet stuff, but I pretend like I have this family recipe that I passed down from generations, and I called it hack and cheese. So they eat it, they like it, they think it's something special. It's not. You know, we got the spices, you gotta have the salts, the peppers. Salt, pepper, extremely important, as well as garlic, garlic.
Mark's hack and mac and cheese is the best.
I can't wait to try it.
It's okay.
And most people think you gotta strain the noodles afterwards. That's true. You have to get the water, the excess water out of the noodles. But you also gotta strain the water. This is something most of the experts won't tell you this. But you strain the water as you put it into the pot. Throw this stuff away.
Yeah, gourmet hack and cheese. Gourmet.
Mark's so proud, we just don't want to hurt his feelings, so we play along.
So those flat noodles, the cheese kind of drips off of it. This stuff, you make sure you get a lot of cheese stuck in there, glummed in there, whatever. That's the best part of mac and cheese, is the cheese glummed in the noodles. Look at this. Oh my goodness, cooked to perfection. There you go, grab a spoon. There we go. Yeah. That's how you do it. Hack and cheese.
Such good hack and cheese.
So good.
Best I've ever had.
Works every time. They think it's gourmet, but really, it's craft. Well, let's take a look at the Mac Madness tournament and find out who the final four are right now. Simple Palate Restaurant. Bass City Bistro. Octopus's Beer Garden. K Block's Fire Pit Barbecue.